Hello, hi guys, welcome to Liz and Jeff's Kitchen. Liz and Jeff's Kitchen is our YouTube channel, and in Liz and Jeff's Kitchen we have Lynn Bakers and we have Master's Kitchen. Both are cake shops located in Nairobi, Kenya, East Africa. Specifically, we are along Manyanja Road on our way to Shujaa Mall. So if you wish to visit us, kindly give us a call. We will direct you to where we are exactly. Here at Liz and Jeff's Kitchen, we have products. We bake cakes, high quality cakes, freshly baked cakes. We do not use preservatives in our cakes, and so we use high quality products. We do cakes like wedding cakes, birthday cakes, graduation cakes, anniversary cakes, and even special occasion cakes like baby shower, bridal shower, Father's Day cakes, Mother's Day cakes, Valentine cakes, Easter cakes, ordination cakes, and even retirement cakes. All of them, we have them here, the best designs for each and every occasion. So if you have the above mentioned occasions and you would wish to have a good quality cake, kindly visit Lynn Bakers and we will give you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video. I request you to like, to share, and to leave a comment on the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe. In my next video, I will be giving details on our products. So please, when you subscribe, you will get notification when we upload our next video. Thank you so much for watching. It's a bye for now.